sisters, we thought you'd show. We've been expecting you. It just wouldn't seem like winter without a skirt or two.
Thanks, pals. We do our best to make a winter mess. Sorry if we keep teaching our dog Adidas.
No, you're just right on time. This will make it look nice. You all shove the mud and mix it with the ice.
We were hoping you could help us get this time on you. The little snowflakes over there are feeling very blue.
What's wrong with that thing? She was cute as she could be. It's wrong that she's on the ground instead of in a tree.
Does she wish that she had landed on a mountain or a snowy hill? Or maybe she'll be happier somewhere in Brazil.
No, that's not it. She's glad she's here with us. She didn't even mind when she got splattered by the bus.
It didn't bother her when the kids sounded like it's just feeling sad because we're all awake.
She's really very happy that all of you came. She just thinks that each of us is just the same.
Well, I never really thought of that. Maybe she was right. After all, if we were afraid of most of us are white.
We all started in the car by the ticket and things
Now I'm getting quite depressed. I'm feeling rather blue. I look around and understand I'm just the same as you.
Millions and millions of snowflakes when all is said and done. Millions and millions of snowflakes and I am just one.